It's gonna have to be something very cheap. Budget's gonna have to be pretty low on this one. Looks like it's got some damage. 212,000 miles. I bet I could get this pretty cheap. I wonder if they'll take $375 for it.
3 days later.
What's this? I guess I won. Oh no, what have I done?
What did you do?
So, I just won a car at auction for $375.
Okay.
But I don't know if it runs or drives.
Okay.
It's a 94 Mercedes though.
Okay.
But hear me out, I've got a plan. We're gonna Tesla swap it.
Okay. Where is the car?
Oh, it's in California on the other side of the country.
So, two idiots who know nothing about 90s Mercedes or EV swaps. What could possibly go wrong?
I'm thinking we'll fly out there and just hop in and drive it back.
It'll probably be fine. It'll probably be fine.